Welcome to Omnivarsity. Solve the equations. If the equation is given as x plus 1 by x is equals to 2, it would imply that x equals to 1. So if this kind of an equation is given, we can simply understand that the value of x is going to be 1. So if a question comes that x to the power n plus 1 by x to the power n equals to how much? Here n can be any natural number. So I'm going to replace this x with 1 and this one also with 1. We can easily find out that the answer is 2. Let's take another example. If there is a subtraction. For the second question, x to the power n minus 1 by x to the power n. We will replace the first x to the power n with 1 minus 1 by 1, which is going to give us a 0. Thus, we can solve this problem in a very simple and efficient way. If it is given that x plus 1 by x is equals to, let's take 4, or it can be any natural number. And let's say that we are being told to find out what is 2x divided by 4x square plus 5x plus 4. So in this case, we can write the answer is, for this 2, we are going to write 2 in the numerator. For this number, we are going to write 4 into, since in the equation it is given 4, I'm going to multiply it with 4. 4 into 4 plus 5. So this would be the answer. This was question number 1. Let's take another similar question. If you are told to find out what is 5x divided by 6x squared plus 7x plus 6. So the answer would be, for the numerator it would be 5. For the denominator I'm going to take 6 into 4 plus 7. So this would be my answer. Let's take another example. Here I'm going to take a negative number. Let's see how this thing turns out. Okay, for the numerator I'm going to take 2 again. Then for the denominator I will take 5 into 4. Here instead of plus I'm going to write minus 4. So this will be my answer. To find a more regular form of this question, we can write that x plus 1 by x equals to n if this thing is given, and if the question is like ax divided by bx square plus minus cx plus b. The answer would be a divided by b into n plus minus c. The simple formula is going to make our work so much easier.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Omnivarsity.